Are you ready to shed those extra pounds? Want to clear your arteries without much struggle? Just sprinkle a touch of this fiery red miracle powder on your meals and wait for the magic to happen.
Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD.
Yes, we're about to dive into the incredible world of cayenne pepper. This vibrant red spice is packed with a potent compound known as capsaicin. Capsaicin can potentially improve your metabolism and stimulate natural fat-burning mechanisms. This compound is known for its pain-relieving properties, and combined with vitamin C, which is also abundant in cayenne, it helps combat fatigue, reduce physical discomfort, and improve overall well-being. These are all essential for enhanced productivity. Spicing up your meal with cayenne powder can improve your senses and give you that instant energy boost. Cayenne pepper has a surprising ability to crank up the body's thermogenesis, a process where your body generates heat. Subsequently, this heat production promotes fat oxidation, helping you burn more calories than usual. Furthermore, consuming this spice can help keep your appetite in check, encouraging a natural decrease in your caloric intake. Cayenne spiciness can also stimulate your brain to produce endorphins, your body's natural feel-good hormones. This lifts your mood and sharpens your focus, helping you concentrate better on tasks at hand. But the magic of cayenne doesn't stop there. The capsaicin in it also plays a multifaceted role in improving cardiovascular health, digestion, and combating inflammation. Cayenne also has properties that support liver function, improve lymphatic system, and even foster healthy gut bacteria. If you've been struggling with digestive issues, cayenne pepper could potentially become your best ally. This is particularly thrilling. Cayenne could potentially aid in reducing arterial plaque buildup, enhancing blood circulation, and maybe even lowering your blood pressure. The anti-inflammatory properties of cayenne are truly a blessing for your heart's health. Here are some simple ways you can weave some cayenne magic in your everyday meals. Add a dash of cayenne powder to a hearty soup. It adds an exciting punch and takes the flavor up a notch. Stir in a quarter teaspoon to your cup of hot chocolate for an interesting twist. Rub cayenne pepper on your favorite fish before lightly frying. This adds some heat to your meal, making it absolutely lip-smacking. And there you have it, an easy way to target belly fat, unclog arteries, and lose extra pounds. But please remember to consult your doctor before incorporating it in your diet. Thanks for watching.